Hello, my name is Jake Muirhead. I'm the instructor for Intro to Drawing. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to access Blackboard and our course and give you a broad outline of how to access content and the course components and how to navigate Blackboard. So you go to MyMC. You're familiar on how to do that. You go to Blackboard and our course, and really the most important tab here to use, to get to know and to use, is course content. And everything that you need to take this class is going to be in course content. All of the videos, the website links, quizzes. There aren't many, but there are a few. Handouts, PowerPoint presentations, videos, anything. They're going to be on course content, and it's organized by week. Each week is a separate learning module. Week 1, that's the first one down here. Our first meeting is September 5th. We meet on Saturdays through Zoom. The things you have to do for this first week are all listed in this learning module. You have to start by downloading and reviewing the course syllabus, and then watch a few videos on how to use and navigate Blackboard. I want you to visit a website and look at some drawings, and then send an email to me at this web address, john.muirhead@montgomerycollege.edu. You don't have to write anything. I just need to hear from you so we can establish communication, so you know how to email me and I know that you're there. And the links to do all these things are right here under Table of Contents to the left of each learning module. When you open it, there's an agenda which is going to list and enumerate clearly what needs to be done this first week. First thing is to download and review the course syllabus. I need you to read it, and then I'll answer any questions you have about anything that's in the syllabus during our first Zoom session. Also, look at a few videos. You would click to launch them there, but I'm not going to make you watch those now, but that's how you would view the videos, and there to help you understand Blackboard, which is the platform we're going to be using, and then a link to the website, the Guy Denning website that I want you to visit. So that's the first week, and each week is going to have a list of things to do. In the second week, you're going to watch a PowerPoint slideshow. You're going to watch a couple of short instructional videos, one of which I produced. Another one is just from YouTube. Well, they're both on YouTube, but one of them I made, and another one is made by somebody else. And then there's a homework assignment and a short quiz. And those are things you have to do for the second week. And so on. It all works like that. Each week has each module for each week is going to have links to all the things you have to do that particular week, and that's all under course content. These other links are you're going to use them, but I'm going to go over those in more detail during our first Zoom meeting. I do want to mention that you can access the Zoom link again by going to Saturday class on Zoom, right under course content, announcements. I'll make periodic announcements reminding you that an assignment is due, or reminding you of anything that's pertinent to the class, and you'll get an email anytime I send an announcement, but you can also view them here on Blackboard. Discussion groups, grades. Obviously, you're going to want to check your grades and see how you're doing and see how you're progressing. And that's all in the Grade Center. And the link to that is here. And I'll go over the rest of these again during the first Zoom session on September 5th. But for now, I need you to download the course syllabus. And I need you to look at it and read it carefully and think of any questions you might have. It's all laid out there in terms of how the semester is going to go, what the timeline is. But I'm sure you're going to have questions. I'm happy to answer them and discuss those things with you during our Zoom session. I need you to watch these videos which will help you to understand Blackboard. And I need you to look at the Guy Denning website and to send me an email. And that's where we're going to begin. So glad to have you here. And I'm glad to be here. And it's going to be fun. And I'm looking forward to it. And I hope you are too. And I will see you soon on Zoom.